Welcome back. Here's the sixth question. It says the transfer function of a system is y of s divided by r of s, transfer function, s by s plus 2, and the steady state output y of t is a cos 2t plus phi for the input cos 2t. The value of a and phi respectively are. So we are supposed to find out what a and phi is in the output given y of t. Okay, so let's start with the transfer function given to us. So the transfer function y of s divided by r of s is equal to s by s plus 2. Now we can use a direct formula over here. Okay, so the formula says, let me write that down. The formula is h of omega, so we're converting that, okay, is equal to omega by root of omega square plus a square. Now this is the formula. When we compare this, a is 2, okay, so here a is 2. Now let's substitute that into this formula over here. So we will get h of omega is equal to omega by root of omega square plus 4. Now we need the phase as well, because we are asked the value of phi, so we need a phase angle. Now the formula for phase angle over here is 90 minus tan inverse of omega by a. Now we know the value of a from the given function, which is 2. So phi would be 90 minus tan inverse of omega by 2. Now in order for us to find out the value of phi, we need the value of omega. So that's going to be our next step. We need the value of omega. So let's go back here to the output given. The output given is y of t a cos 2t plus phi. And the input, this is the output, and the input is cos 2t. Now, in general, trigonometric functions are denoted as cos omega t, sin omega t, and so on and so forth. So, from the input function given to us, it is quite easy to identify that the omega here is 2. Okay, so omega here is 2. Now, if we substitute this here, let's see what we get. We get h of 2 is equal to 2 divided by root of 4 plus 4. That would be 2 by root 8, which can be written as 1 by root 2. Because root 8 is 2 root 2, 2 and 2 cancels, we have 1 by root 2. So we have what h of 2 is, or h of omega. Okay. Next, we can substitute the value of omega over here and directly find what is the phase angle. So we have that phase angle phi, let me write that down here, is equal to 90 minus tan inverse of 2 by 2. Now 2 by 2 is 1. Let me just grab another sheet of paper here. Okay. So we have h of omega is equal to 1 by root 2 and phi is equal to 90 minus tan inverse of 2 by 2, which is tan inverse of 1. And you know what tan inverse of 1 is, right? Tan inverse of 1 is 45 degrees. So phi is equal to 90 minus 45, which is 45. This is a positive value. So all in all, h of omega can be written as 1 by root 2 angle 45 degrees. Okay. So this, the magnitude 1 by 2 corresponds to A, and the angle 45 degrees corresponds to phi. So these are the final answers. And let's check and see which option it matches. It matches B. B is your final answer.